everyone, this is Anna from Craft Me a Card, and I'm crafting for the crafter, and that is you. Yay! So today I'm calling this Quick Tuesday because I'm going to be showing you different ways that I do different things. In this case, I'm going to be showing you how I make my bows. I've had some questions on how I make them, so I'm going to be showing you how I make these easy bows, and really is only using stuff that you probably already have at home, like a piece of cardboard and some skewers. So all we need is a piece of cardboard that is thick. You want the thicker kind of cardboard, only because these skewers are going to be going through these holes. If you get a thinner piece of cardboard, the skewers are going to lift up this first part, this first layer of the cardboard. So the first thing you have to take into consideration is how wide you want your bow. So if you want your bow to be this wide, you're going to place 2 skewers on that size. So that's how wide I want my bow. And then you're going to place the other 2 skewers right in the middle. And this is just to help us weave the bow, the ribbon in. Okay, so that'll be a bow that's about this wide. If I want a bow that's a little smaller, a little more narrow, I just bring in these 2 side skewers inward. Okay, and really that's all you have to take into consideration is how wide and how narrow I want my bow to be. And so, all right, let us get started on how to make it happen. All I do is grab my ribbon and I'm gonna put these a little in more because I don't really need them that long. So I grab it from the top here, and then I go under, top, under, and then I go back, doing the same zigzag motion, in and out, in and out, just like that. This here is going to determine the amount of loops you want on your bow. If you want your bow to have 2 loops, like this one, 1, 2, that's how you're going to make it. If you want more loops, you just go around one more time. Okay, you go in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, and then you end it. Okay, so this bow is going to have 3 loops. Okay, you have your 3 loops here and your 3 loops here. So then all you have to do is just scrunch it here and tie it. And the way that I tie it is by getting another piece of ribbon. You could use this one too, but for me it is too wide, so I try to look for something the same color, and then you just tie it. And here at this point you could actually cut the ribbon. Oops. So all you do is you're holding it, you're pinching it with one hand, and with your other hand you put the ribbon in, the thinner ribbon in, just like that. You flip it over, and then you tie a knot. Just like that. You want to tie it tight, and then you just slide your bow out. And here you have your bow. See how easy that is? Okay, so now let's make one that has 2 different kinds of ribbon. And I'm going to grab this lacy one, little fancier one. I'm going to grab this old green, which is very pretty. So I like to put them together just like this. Okay. Then we are going to pass them through. Okay. And if you see on the way back, it's going to be it's not going to show the green ribbon. So what we do is at the halfway point, you just have to twist it. Okay? At the halfway point. Then you go back. And then again, at the halfway point, twist it. And then we go back. Okay, and then again, here at the halfway point, we're going to twist it. Oops, there we go. Bring it down, and then go back, halfway point, we are there. Twist it so that we can see the green. And always remember to end the opposite side where you started. Okay, here's where you started, this is where you end it. Always end at the opposite side. Go ahead and squeeze it. And I'm going to cut, and then I'm going to cut a little piece of this thinner green one so I can bring it through here. And then tie a knot, just like that. Then I could go ahead and cut my other ribbon. So then once that is done, just go ahead and pull it off. And there we go. We have a very cute, vintagey bow. If you could see that. Okay, then all you have to do is just fix it. Okay, just fix it, make it look nice, just like that. Okay, and my suggestion as always, to avoid fraying, just really quick, that's all you need. Just pass some little lighter, that's all. With this same concept, you can add different things to your ribbon. So this is one. So if you want to do a 2-layer one, like I have in the past, and I like to use this organza one a lot on these ribbons, and these bows. Just go ahead and grab, you know what, let me go ahead and I will bring it in a little bit, okay, just so you can see the different options you can do with this. They're about, well, maybe not, there, that's a smaller bow. So just go ahead and grab these in. Grab, go under, up, under, under, up, under. Okay, I have my two loops. My two loops, I start here, I end here. Squish it. I'm going to go with my other bow, my other ribbon. Just do the same thing. And here we're going to have a 2-layer bow. And I'll grab my smaller ribbon and just cut this one off and pass it through. And I go ahead and tie it. So this one, see, came out smaller. So on that note, you can add different things to your bow. You could add anything you want. So, same concept. Go in, and you do this. Let's see, I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to go ahead and use this string here. Same thing. Bring my string, pull it through, make a knot. Okay, up, got it. It's a different kind of bow. after you have these made, you always have the option to add whatever you want in the middle to finish it off. You could add a little flower that finishes up that little bow there. See? Whatever little embellishment you have, you could finish your bow off. That was my quick little Tuesday tutorial. So I'll call this Quick Tuesday, just to show you how it is that I make my bows using this that is made at home. You have a great one. Be happy and create. Thank you so much. Bye. I only got one. What the heck? Ugh, I only got one. Ugh.